Hey everyone, welcome back to Bike Vibes. Today we've got something a little different from our usual two-wheel content. We're checking out the all-new 2025 BYD Shark 6 pickup truck. If you're someone who loves the outdoors, biking, and adventures, you'll definitely want to stick around for this one. Now, I know we usually focus on bikes, but what's better than a truck that can get you and your bike to any trail, any mountain, or any adventure spot you've been dreaming of? BYD Shark 6 isn't just a regular pickup, it's got all the bells and whistles for adventurers like us. Let's start with the design. This thing is a beast. It's got a sleek yet aggressive look that makes it stand out, especially with those sharp lines and bold front grille. I can already tell you that heads are going to turn when you roll up to your next biking spot in this. The LED headlights are sharp, giving it that modern touch while still maintaining a rugged off-road aerodynamic. Perfect for those early morning or late evening drives to the trail. Now, the interior is what really gets interesting. For all you tech lovers, this truck comes packed with a massive touchscreen display, voice controls, and tons of driver assist features. But what really matters for us bikers is space. Whether you're hauling mountain bikes, road bikes, or gear for a weekend trip, the Shark 6 has plenty of room in the bed. Plus, there are smart storage compartments to stash away your tools, helmets, and other essentials. Under the hood, the Shark 6 packs a punch with a hybrid engine that's both powerful and eco-friendly. So you get the strength of a traditional pickup, but with better fuel efficiency and lower emissions. And that means more time on the road and less time worrying about fuel stops, which is a win for those long trips out of town. For the off-road enthusiast, this truck can handle some serious terrain. Whether you're navigating rocky roads to get to a hidden trailhead or just need something reliable for weekend camping trips, the Shark 6 has your back. The suspension is designed for a smooth ride even when the path gets bumpy. All right, now here's where it gets personal. As a biker, I'm always hauling my gear around. Having a vehicle that can handle the rough roads while keeping my bike secure is crucial. The Shark 6 comes equipped with bike racks and tie-down points, which is a game changer. No more worrying about my bike wobbling or getting scratched during the ride. So if you're into biking like me and need a reliable way to get you and your gear to all the best spots, the BYD Shark 6 is definitely worth checking out. And it's not just a truck, it's the ultimate adventure companion. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Bike Vibes for more cool gear reviews, bike tips, and adventure contents.